So question number 23 says that in a reaction A reacts with B2, A plus B2, it is going to give you AB2. Right? Identify the limiting reagent, if any, in the following reaction mixtures. So first reaction mixture. First of all, let us write the stoichiometry. Stoichiometry for this reaction is that one atom of A combines with one molecule of B2, right? And it produces one molecule of AB2. So this also you can say 1 mole of A reacts with 1 mole of B2 and it gives you 1 mole of AB2, right? So in first reaction mixture 300 atoms that combine with 200 molecules. 300 atoms जो हैं बच्चे वो किससे combine कर रहे हैं? A के वो combine कर रहे हैं 200 molecules of B से, ठीक है। अब देखो स्टोकियोमेट्री ये कह रही है कि एक एटम ए का कंबाइन करता है एक मॉलिक्यूल से। सो 300 एटम्स को कितने मॉलिक्यूल चाहिए होंगे B2 के? दे विल रिक्वायर ऑब्वियसली 300 only, but we are given with 200, right? So here B2 will be your limiting reagent. Limiting reagent is B2, right? So next part says that 2 moles of A reacts with 3 moles of B. So stoichiometry क्या कह रही है? First of all let us write the question. 2 moles of A react कर रहे हैं 3 moles of B के साथ. अब स्टोकियोमेट्री क्या कह रही है? स्टोकियोमेट्री कह रही है कि 1 मोल जो है वो 1 मोल के साथ कंबाइन करता है. 1 मोल ऑफ A combines 1 मोल ऑफ B. So but here mixture says that 1 mole combines with 3 moles. So 1 को 1 मोल चाहिए होगा तो 2 mole of A will require obviously 2 mole of B. But we are given with 3 moles. It means it is an excess. तो limiting reagent हमारे पास कौन सा हो जाएगा? A. So in second part limiting reagent is A, right? Because it is, what do you mean by, so first of all you should know the what is limiting reagent. Limiting reagent is that reactant which gets completely consumed during the reaction, right? So it is in this second part it is getting completely consumed, and first B is getting completely consumed, and these two are in excess, other one. Next in third part 5 mole of A combines with 2.5 mole of B. So now here again we know that one mole requires 1 mole of B, right? So 5 mole जो होगा हमारे पास that would require how much mole of B? Obviously 5 mole of B, right? Sorry, we are skipping one question. Third, sorry, this third, it is given that 100 atoms of A combines with 100 molecules of B, right? So third part में ये कह रहा है. अब देखो बच्चे, अब एटम्स की बात हो रही है यहाँ पर. हमें पता है कि स्टोकियोमेट्री क्या कह रही है कि एक एटम ऑफ ए जो है 1 atom of A requires 1 molecule of B. So 100 atoms of A would require obviously 100 molecules of B. So here in this third part there is no limiting reagent, both will get consumed, right? Next, in fourth part, 5 mole of A reacts with 2.5 mole of B. Again, 1 mole requires 1 mole, right? So 5 mole of A would require obviously 5 mole, but we are given with 2.5, which is less. It means B is your limiting reagent. Here B will be your limiting reagent. So B2 is limiting reagent in fourth part. Next, fifth part, 2.5 mole of A reacts with 5 mole of B, right? So we know that 1 mole requires 1 mole of A requires 1 mole of B, right? So 2.5 mole of A would require obviously 2.5 mole of B, but we are given with 5 mole, so which is in excess. So here A will be your limiting reagent. So limiting reagent is A.